Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate grade score in Excel. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and start by adding, let's say inserting one here. Oops, let's say for example, bring this one here. There you go. Now we have here another one. So what I'm going to do is just basically type 0 and then I'm going to go ahead and hit Control E so that it basically copies all the beginning numbers here. Now we're going to head over to the grades because we're going to use the VLOOKUP, which is also why we're grading this one. So VLOOKUP, and then we're going to be choosing this value right here. All right, there you go. And then let's go ahead and choose these here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit F4. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and type 2. So basically 2 is these grades. So this is what we want to put. And then I'm going to go ahead and click enter. So as you can see, this is 7 and 7 belongs to C. And now it's getting it. So we're going to go ahead and copy that one. And you can see that now we have successfully done that. So that's how you're going to assign grade letters here in Excel.